In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Figma file. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you land on your Figma home screen. You'll see your recent files and the left sidebar with navigation. We want to make sure we're looking across everything you have access to, not just your personal drafts. Next, click on All Projects in the left sidebar. This view gathers teams and projects you can access, which is helpful if the file you want to duplicate lives in a shared project rather than in your drafts. It also gives you a clear, organized grid of the files and folders you might be working with. Now, select the project that contains the file you want to copy and click to open it. Inside the project, you'll see all the files for that space. If you have a lot of files, take a moment to scan the names or use search to quickly locate the one you need. Keep in mind that your ability to duplicate a file can depend on permissions set by the project owner, so if something looks locked down, that may be why. Once you're in the right project, look for the small drop-down or menu next to the project name at the top of the screen, or the overflow menu near the file thumbnail. This menu is where Figma keeps project and file actions. Clicking it will reveal options related to managing content in this space. From that menu, choose Duplicate. As soon as you do, Figma will create a copy of the selected file. Depending on your access level and the project's settings, the duplicate may appear in the same project or in your drafts. Either way, it will carry over the pages, frames, components, and settings from the original file. If the file uses shared libraries, those connections remain referenced, so your components should behave the same way in the copy. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't immediately see the copied file, refresh the page or check your Drafts tab. If you don't see the duplicate option at all, you may need at least view access that allows duplication. In that case, contact a project admin. After duplicating, consider updating the file name to something clear so your team can tell the copy from the original at a glance and confirm that any prototypes or links still point where you expect. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a Figma file using the project view and the drop-down menu.